Hello. Hi, it's me, boys and girls. And it's time for a new tutorial. That's right. I did it. I came all the way here for you to learn. Today, we're going to learn a very important thing about Unreal Engine. It is the casting. It's very important for you to know. It's an important part of game development in Unreal Engine. But before that, I was just driving today, and I was driving and I was thinking about you guys. I hope you missed me. I definitely missed you so much. So you click the mouse. Click to cast. Go cast. Let's go. You're not gonna need this. Throw it in the trash. Man, lol, that's weird. I can't delete. It's okay. So how are you doing, guys? I hope you're doing fine. Sus, that's sus. If you're not doing fine, okay, that's sus. Okay, let's get do this. That's a new thing to say. So basically, what you want to do is